Hello, welcome to Journey with Judy. In today's video, I want to share with you Grandpa's natural remedy to care for our eye. Okay, Grandpa's remedy to care for our eye, and it's super effective. Grandpa taught me this, and it has been working for all those I introduced it to. So if you're having pain in your eye, you have itchy eye, and so on, try this remedy I'm about to introduce to you and you will love it. Please share this video so that others can also benefit from it. And what is this simple remedy that helps to treat our eyes? It's not much. It's something you have around you. It's something you see everywhere. And this is my aloe vera. See, I see aloe vera. I always say aloe vera is one plant I love so much. Aloe vera is one plant I love so much because it's good for us ladies. Aloe vera is good for us. If you're having painful menstruation, try aloe vera. If you want to care for your hair, try aloe vera. If you want a smooth skin, care if you want a smooth skin, try aloe vera. See, aloe vera is one of my secrets. I'm not using any stuff, and it helps for wrinkles, it helps for many things. I love aloe vera. So if you want many things, if you want to get rid of stretch mark, give aloe vera a try. If you want to firm, try aloe vera. If you want to firm it up, try aloe vera. I can't just mention the list of things you can do with this aloe vera. So today let's talk about how we can use it for our eyes. Okay, I already have a small size of it. Yes, so if you haven't watched my video on how to remove the poison from aloe vera, please watch that video because you need it for this treatment. You need to make sure you remove the poison from the aloe vera before using your aloe vera. So what is this poison? What is the poison that comes with aloe vera? Let me just talk about it so that we don't just be in a hurry and use the aloe vera without getting the side effect. The side effect is that itching it will give you, which occurs when you don't remove the poison from the aloe vera. Okay, so the side effect is the itching it will give you if you don't remove the poison, and the poison is that yellow substance that comes from your aloe vera. When you cut your aloe vera, you notice something yellow coming from it. That is the poison that comes with aloe vera. So make sure you wash your aloe vera properly. Make sure you wash your aloe vera properly. Just cut it, leave it for some seconds. You can dip it in water, okay, and after some seconds wash your aloe vera. Those stuff will be gone and your aloe vera is good to use. You can start using aloe vera. So now I've done that process with this. I've already washed it, so it will itch me. So this is very important. This part of it is very important for those with sensitive skin. Some people's skin is so hard that even when you put anything it will not work. Like they will feel the itching part of it. But those of you that have sensitive skin, make sure you don't miss this step. Make sure you don't miss this step because it will really itch you. It will itch you and drive you crazy. So let me show you how you're going to use this. My aloe vera is well washed. Just cut it. I don't have a knife. I left my knife. So let me just use my hand. Just what we need there is the gel. Okay, just the gel. The gel is what we need. So this is my aloe vera gel. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah, that is our aloe vera gel. So what we need to do is to just apply this. Can you see that? Just apply this on your eyes. Apply it around your eyes. It will hurt you. It will hurt you. At least you have seen me doing it. It's not like I'm just telling you without practicalizing it. So make sure you remove that yellow substance so you won't feel uncomfortable. It's not like the yellow substance is going to do anything to your eyes. It will itch you and you will just be uncomfortable. You won't be able to carry it for long. Okay, you won't be able to leave it on your eyes, on your skin for long because you're not comfortable with the itching it will give you. So it's best to leave it for, if possible, for a longer time. Wash it well and so that you be comfortable with it, because we're going to sleep with this. Do this at night. Leave it there. Leave it on your skin, on the eye area. Okay, you can as well apply this in other parts of your face. Okay, you can also apply this all over your face, but we're talking about the eyes. Okay, we're talking about the eyes. Extract the gel. So apply it there. Apply it there. I can't see again. No. Hey, apply it there and leave it there. Go to bed with it. Don't wash it off. It won't hurt you. Nothing. It won't. You notice. See, this thing gives instant relief. It's just like when you have a cut. When you have a cut or a burn, like maybe you're cooking and the fire, maybe the oil or something, splashed on you. Just apply aloe vera there. It's a magic. It works so fast. If you have a cut, apply your aloe vera there. Within a short time, that will just dry up. It will just clear. It helps for scar too. If you have scar, this aloe vera helps for scar. So don't suffer in silence, okay? Don't just suffer. When aloe vera can go a long way to help your sight. Aloe vera will help you to see well. Aloe vera will help uh, your eyes to be good, so your eye does not get damaged. Especially these days that everybody phone. Those that phone you're using is not really good for us, but economy has made it in a way that it's just so important. So as we're using the phone, we also need to care for our eyes. Okay, as we're using our phones, we need to care for our eyes. So I actually did this few days back because I noticed I was so busy with my phone. And it's like the phone is now trying to affect my eyes. So, and I remembered I've been advising people to do this, the grandpa's remedy of caring for her eyes. So I'm sharing this simple remedy with you. I'm sharing the simple remedy with you. Go do it. Do it. I not say you should put it inside the eyes. Just on the skin will do the work for you. I did not put it inside my eyes. You can see I did not put it inside. Just on the skin, and just on the skin will do the work for you. It 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 will do the work for you. Okay. So that is it. Just also pamper your face by applying the remaining one there because it's good for our face as well. It's good for our face. Okay. It's good for our face. It's good for our face. The neck. Okay. Apply it there. So that is it on how to care for eyes, how to stop that pain you're having, the itchy, the watery eyes, and so on. This really helps to treat it. Okay, this really helps to treat it. This is good for children. This is good for adults. But for children, you can try it in other parts of their body to see if they react to it. Okay, if they're fine with it, then you can go ahead and use it for them. Just the next day, you'll notice that if you've been having pain, you notice that wow, the pain is gone. The pain is really gone. Yeah. So give it a trial. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button. To subscribe to my channel is free. Okay, thank you. And if you find this helpful, please give me a thumbs up by clicking on the like button to like my video, and share it with people, share it with your friends, share it to your groups so that others can learn, can benefit from the goodness of nature. It's so simple. So I've been with it on my eyes and I'm not. So thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.